It goes straight up.
Smoking.
Oh.
I'm gonna drop yours.
Right, so double eclipse on helix. Nick was kind enough to print me one before I got my nice 3D printers, and I just did the maiden flight, and I was so nervous, but it flew really well.
Nice, we didn't film that.
No, don't worry.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to film this because Adrian's going to fly his.
Yeah, which was also printed by Nick as my Christmas present.
Oh, nice gift. So yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a race, turn and burn.
Sounds good.
All right. This is the only model I've had that you can frisbee launch.
Yes. Yeah, and really, there's no other way of launching it, really.
No, because there's no hand grabs. It's totally clean underneath.
Yeah, it would have your hand off in the nano.
Okay, so you can launch me first, and then Adrian.
See a corner, yeah? You've got a bigger battery.
Yeah. God, it goes straight up.
Right. Okay. Ready? Yep. Thank you.
Adrian's away. Forming over to the left, Adrian.
Okay, I'll come and find you.
I'll go a bit further out, turning in now.
Yeah.
And go. On the up and a reversal, pull down, full throttle. And same again,
Yeah.
half roll.
I need a bit of trim.
Oh, this is your maiden, is it?
No, it is with this. I've just put a couple of clicks of trim. Right, I'm all right. I've done it. Right,
Pulling
right.
her around,
Oh yeah.
up for the reversal again,
Yeah.
and half roll.
Yeah. And over.
Full throttle.
Yeah.
Going around this time.
Where you gone? Oh, see ya.
Going out wide,
I see ya.
turning in,
Yeah.
full power. Pulling up for the reversal,
Yeah. Rolling.
half roll,
Off.
pulling,
Pulling. Power on. Okay. Back through. Come round to the right.
roger that.
Should we do a loop in the middle, shall we?
Yeah, sounds good.
So we'll come round. Round together. Okay, putting the power on.
3, 2,
And
1.
loop. Pull. And off.
That looked close, but it probably wasn't.
It probably wasn't. It looked it, didn't it?
All right, going over to the right.
Yeah. I see ya.
Closer in this time.
Yeah.
Turning,
Yeah.
full throttle. Oh, pull up, pull up, pull up. You said someone crossing?
No. Full size.
Oh,
That's all right. It's all right.
forming over to the right again.
Yeah.
Turning,
Yeah.
full power. Pull up.
Yeah. Reversal.
Yeah. Really?
Who? Dom?
Me. Oh, blue smoke. Landing.
Smoking.
Apparently had blue smoke. So back home after a great day of flying yesterday, highlight really flying my Helix with Adrian's Helix, just, you know, fast left and right, and really enjoyed that. I think we came pretty close to colliding a couple of times, but you know, I wasn't too far off landing, and I burnt out my speed controller, I think because I'd velcroed my receiver directly on top of the heatsink for the speed controller and it overheated. The Beck was still working, so I did have control and could land. So testament to that speed controller. I will make sure that there's adequate airflow over it next time. I'm already reprinting another one. That's the fuselage being printed in a delightful green that I'm going for this time. And this is the beauty of 3D printing, in that you've already bought the design, downloaded it and printed one, but there's nothing to stop me printing many more. You know, I don't have to, not like with a foamy, I don't have to buy an expensive spare part. I don't have to buy a whole new model for a couple of £100. I just reprint the bits that I need to with a relatively cheap filament. A roll of filament costs £25–30 maybe. So just a really economical way to build RC models after you've made the initial investment for the printers. Over the long term, it's going to work out quite a bit cheaper, I suspect. So my New Year's resolution for 2026 was really to get more into 3D printing RC aircraft, because I really do think it's come of age. The printers are really good now. I've been running these Bamboo Labs H2S's for 6 weeks now and barely had a problem with them. And even if I have had a blockage in the extruder or the nozzle, they are made to be really maintainable, which is really impressive compared to other printers that I've had in the past. And I want to try printing small models like this all the way up to some truly big models like Joel Vlashoff, who you've probably heard of, who did the VTOL F-35 and Harrier, is coming out with a 737 airliner in the near future. Looking forward to getting the design for that and printing that as well. So if you're not a subscriber, please do that. We're going to stay on the leading edge of RC technology and show you what you can do with 3D printing over the next few months. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.